I think Pico's going to do us proud no matter what he does. He's doing really well for Rovers, and it's great to see someone that lives in Tallaght, someone representing Tallaght and Ireland on the international stage. Even if he's not representing Ireland today, he's still representing us for everyone here today.
He is 6 foot something of pure muscle, pure quality. Best defender in the league for a reason. And there's a reason he's at the World Cup.
I've been a Rovers fan for my life, and it's great to see, someone from Tallaght, from Ireland, representing Ireland and Shamrock Rovers on the big stage at the World Cup.
We're Shamrock Rovers fans, but we're also very proud of Pico.
Are you Cape Verde fans?
Well, right now we are.
Shamrock Rovers legend. I hope it's 2-1 Cape Verde. Pico to score first.
And do you think Pico's going to lift the World Cup?
No. No offence, sorry. He probably won't, but I hope he does.
What are you going to say when he comes on the screen?
You up to Pico Lopes.